shelf, so it stood 90 years on the floor. It was taller by half than the old man himself, though it weighed not a penny more. It was bought on the morn of the day that he was born. It was always his treasure and pride, and it stopped short, never to go again, when the old man died. 90 years without slumbering, his life's second numbering. It stopped short, never to go again, when the old man died. In watching his pendulum swing to and fro, many hours he spent as a boy, and the childhood and manhood the clock seemed to know. And it shared both his sorrow and joy. And it struck 24 when he entered the door, with a blooming and beautiful bride. But it stopped short, never to go again, when the old man died. Now it rang an alarm in the dead of the night, an alarm that had never been rung. And we know that his spirit was blooming for flight, and his hour of departure had come. Still the clock kept its time with a soft and muffled chime, as we silently stood by his side. But he stopped short, never to go again, when the old man died. 90 years without slumbering, you know the feeling. It's life's second numbering. It stopped short, never to go again, when the old man died. But it stopped short, never to go again, when the old man died.